could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Hey guys, now I'm gonna teach you about CSS. So remember this thing I showed you in JavaScript where you get that alert? So CSS is basically decoration of the web page. So when you have to use CSS, there are two options. Either you can do it inside the style tag, or you can create a new thing, new document, save it as anything, for example WSS, and save it as a .css, and then inside the head you add a link, and then you put the href. So I named it wss.css. So those are both the ways of adding CSS. I would recommend the style tag, so I'm just going to delete the link now. Remember, you can do everything similarly in this. So first what I'm going to show you in CSS are different types of styling. So what I'm going to do first is add body. So this defines like what style I want for my body. So I'll put the curly brackets. Now inside I want to change my background color. So I can make my background color as red, for example. One thing about the background color, this HTML recognizes 140 colors. And if it doesn't recognize that color, what you can just do is add an hashtag and put the HTML color code. For example, that. So that's a color code. So, but for beginners, I would recommend putting like something like green. And after putting, so for example, after putting your CSS one line, you always have to terminate it by pressing by clicking on the semicolon. Now, for example, I want to change my color of the text. So I want to make it black. So I'll add black. Then I can put down, I want to change the font family. So that just makes the font different. So I want to make it Open Sans. Remember, to have the font, it must be in your fonts. So I have some fonts. So I'll use Open Sans. So in the font family, I can just put Open Sans. And remember, the starting of every word has to be capital. And I finally terminate this. So now when I save it, I've opened it. So the color has changed. But as you can see, the button text has not changed. Although, if I add a p tag over here, 1 second, I'll just add that. Sorry about that. So now when I reload it, see that X is in the Open Sans font. Now I'm gonna teach you how to style a button. So I go down and make my button. So I want the background color to be red because I like the color red a lot. So I red and terminate it. Then font family, here I want to make it blow brush. So it has to be a font that you've installed. If I haven't installed blow brush, I can't exactly use it. Then I want the text to be white. Then I want the border to be 3px. Sorry about that. Then I can make the padding as 5px. Then I can make so I just forgot to terminate that, sorry. Now when I save it, I'll just open it. Look, the button has changed. So in the first one it was like this. Now it looks like this. So let me try and make it better. So you can do the styling as of your choice. I don't like glow brush that much. So what you can make it anything, and you can style anything as well. So anything that is a tag or CSS, you can style it. Anything that is a tag, you can style it. So for example, let's take. I'll just create a marquee tag inside here. I'll make this marquee. These are just some attributes I'm adding. You don't necessarily need to copy them. So in here I'll make it 40 oip, and then here I can do marquee then the curly brackets, and then I can make the color as red. So as you can see, the marquee's color has become red, and the alert has changed as well. So yeah. And now I can what else can I style? So yeah, you can style absolutely anything as long as it's a tag. So that's in style. So in the extra wss.css I'll show you. I'll just open that up. So this is CSS page. So I'll just copy all of that. I'll just delete the style tag so that I can show you how the other one works. So I've deleted the style tag, and in this is my CSS. So I save it. I've saved it now. Now over here in Sublime Text, I can add a link. So here's my link, the link tag, and inside is rel equals style sheet, and the type is CSS. So the href is wss.css. So I'll just copy that and show you the difference. I've copied it and I'll just delete it. So without the CSS here, it'll be normal, back to normal. But then I'll just add this. So it works both ways. Although I would prefer the style tag, but it's up to you guys. So hopefully you understood a little bit about CSS. Again, this website W3 Schools, it can teach you a lot about programming. See, so W3 Schools CSS. So the CSS tutorial, and then see, they give the definition, how the CSS work, and you can change all of this. So I want the background color to be so this website will help you more with CSS, but I've taught you most of the things that you will need to know. So that's it for this video. Thank you.